Most Android 17 phones use the same screenshot methods, whether you have a Samsung Galaxy, Google Pixel, OnePlus, Motorola, or other Android device. Let's see different methods to take a screenshot on Android 17 stock OS. Method 1. Power plus volume down, most common. Open the screen you want to capture. Press the power button and volume down button together. Hold for about 1 second. Your screenshot will be saved automatically. Method 2. Quick tap gesture. You can use this gesture to your Google Pixel device to take a screenshot to double tap back of your phone. To enable this, go to Settings. Scroll down and tap System. Tap Gestures. Tap Quick Tap to start actions. Toggle on Use Quick Tap. Choose a Take Screenshot. Now, tap back a phone twice to capture the screenshot to your phone. Method 3. Recent Apps. 2 ways to take screenshot on your stock Android devices using recent apps. 1. Swipe up and hold to view the recent apps and tap the screenshot at the bottom to capture the screen. 2. Tap the app icon at the top and tap Screenshot. Method 4. Quick Settings Screenshot Tile, supported on some phones. Swipe down from the top of the screen. Open the Quick Settings panel. Tap Screenshot or Capture. Where to find your screenshots? You can quickly access, edit, or share your captures immediately by tapping the preview thumbnail at the bottom left of your screen or by browsing the Screenshots folder within your Photos or Gallery app. And that's all. Different Android devices have slightly different settings to take a screenshot on your Android 17. Which is your favorite method to capture the screenshot on your phone? Please tell us in the comment box.